Hello, my name's Roy, and I'll be in the third grade yloc. So, first one, this one, and this one, I guess. Okay, so we're doing adding three numbers. So when you add three numbers, the easiest way is to add the two smallest numbers first, and then add the biggest number and numbers you added together. So the smallest number is 40 and 3. So if you add 40 plus 3, that equals 43. And what you have to do is now add 200 to it. 200 plus 43. So 3, 4, 2. So this one is 243. 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8. 8 and 2, which is 28. Okay, 60 plus 2, 600 of it. What you could do is just pretend you have 600 fingers, and then just add 2 more. And if you do that, it equals 602. 700 plus 30 plus 5, you add 30 plus 5, which, if you do that, equals 35. And if you do 700 plus 35, that would equal 735. Okay, division. Okay, 5 divided by 5. Whenever you're dividing two of the exact same numbers, it's always going to equal 1, because you're basically you could only multiply 1 to get the exact same number. So this one's going to be 1. 45 divided by 9, how you have to divide it is smallest number goes on the outside, and then the bigger number goes on the inside. So you have to see if 9 could go into 4, which if it doesn't, you have to move on to the second one. 9 does go into 45, and it goes into 45 5 times. And then you have to multiply these together, which that equals 45, and you subtract it. And if it equals 0, this top answer is your answer. So 45 divided by 9 is 5. 30 divided by 2, 2, 30. 2 does go into 3 once, so you put a 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. Then you do 3 minus 2, which is 1, and then bring down the 0, and then you have to divide these two. 2 does go into 10, it goes into 10 5 times. 2 times 5 equals 10, subtract it, 0. Okay, now this is your answer. 8 divided by 4, let's do 4 divided by 8. 4 does go into 8 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8, so this one is 2. Multiplication. Okay, 2 times 4, you could do 4 plus 4, or you could do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or you could do 2 times 4, that equals 8. Okay, 8 times 5, 8 times 5, basically means 5 plus 5 plus 5 8 times, or you could do 8 plus 8 plus 8 5 times, or you could draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then each of them have 5 in it. Oops, I think I drew too much. No, I didn't. And you count it up, and then if you do that, it equals 40. Okay, 9 times 4. You have to do 9 times 4, or you could do 4 plus 4 plus 4, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. If you do that, it equals 36. 3 times 4, 3 times 4, do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 4 plus 4 plus 4. And you could also do 1, 2, 3, and then 4 in each. And if you count all those up, it goes 12. Okay. That one, and I don't know. This one. Okay. K has 22 crayons. He breaks 5 of them and loses half of the remaining crayons. How many crayons does he have left? Okay, so it says that he has a total of 23 crayons in total right now. And it says he breaks 5 of them, which we have to subtract 5 then. Okay, So let's subtract it. 3 cannot be subtracted from 5. So you have to borrow from the tens place. This one turns into 1, and then 3 turns into 13. And then you can subtract from there. And then if you do that, 8. Okay, and then you just 1. This basically means this turns into 1. So that one, just bring it down, 18. So in total, he has 18 right now. It says he also loses half of them, which half means you have to divide by 2. So you divide it by 2. 2 does not go into 1. It goes into 8. It goes into 18 9 times. 18. 2 times 9 equals 18, 0. So in total, he has 9 crayons left. Crayons. Okay, Mark has 4 pennies and he gets 2 more from his friends for his birthday. He loses 1 and gives away 1. How many pennies does he have left? How many pennies does he have now? Okay, so it says that he has 4 pennies in total, and he gets 2 more from his friends for a birthday. So 4 plus 2, that goes 6. And then it says he loses 1 of them, which 6, it's to subtract it. 6 minus 1 is 5. And also says he gives away 1. So let's subtract it again, and then which equals 4. And so that's our final answer. He has 4 pennies left.